Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling signatures and tools, then crease each signature sharply so pages align. Once folded, use the awl to punch 3 evenly spaced holes along the spine. Mark with a ruler to keep stations consistent. Thread a needle, measure a length equal to 3 times the spine height, and tie a secure double overhand knot. This creates working thread and a tail for looping. Now position the first signature on the sewing frame and start with the first hole. You will sew signatures one by one, using a link style or kettle stitch to bind them together. Start by entering from the outside at the first hole, pull through until the knot seats, then go back through the next hole. When adding the next signature, pass the needle through the previous signature's loop to lock the section. Make consistent, firm tension, enough to close gaps, not enough to pucker pages. Once all signatures are linked, finish with a reinforced back stitch and secure. You start by trimming any uneven edges and preparing the cover boards and in papers. Spread PVA glue thinly along the spine and lay a mull or linen strip over the sewn spine for reinforcement. Press until flush. Once dry, tack in papers to the first and last signatures, then hinge them to the boards, aligning corners carefully. Close the book and wait it for 24-48 hours. If pages stick or the spine is stiff, open gently and work the hinges. If warping occurs, repress under a slightly higher weight as a troubleshooting fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.